Hi, I am Filippo from Money Building. With this video, I would like to introduce myself first and make sure that you know me and Money Building in the hope that in the future, even very close, you can enjoy the many free services that I and the other Money Building boys made available within our site and our reserved area, the Elite area. Secondly, today I want to answer some questions I thought you'd be doing, especially if you are a new buy in this new world. I can guarantee that many people who have already tried to make mirror trading are still asking these questions, so whether you are part of the first or the second group, don't worry, it's normal if you have some doubts. Especially if you have not tried yet to make mirror trading or you didn't succeed in making this business with profit. Before we begin, I want to remind you that in the Money Building website, in the Followers Journey section, you will find a lesson that I think combines very well with this video, and that is dedicated to the reasons why many followers failed. There I speak of many of the things that the followers are supposed to be do not ask, and instead they should ask. But back to why this video was conceived. Let's answer some questions that could blend in your head right now. Here are some. Do I need some technical or financial knowledge in particular? With the mirror trading, you can get the profit of a trader without necessarily being a trader. Indeed, the purpose of mirror trading is precisely to make you earn that kind of profit, even in the total and happy and blissful ignorance of markets and trading. Still, it's true that although you should not stay all day in front of the computer, or you should not have the knowledge of a professional trader that requires years of study and especially a lot of skills, a minimum of technical knowledge about the mirror trading of things like pips, drawdown, margin are necessary and essential to become a successful follower. A follower who knows how to manage and control risk, and above all, how to turn it to his advantage. If all the things I've said to you till now seem strange and complicated or perhaps unattainable, I want to calm you down immediately. These are simply tools of the trade, and despite their unusual names, they hide very simple concepts, easy to learn. But the best thing is that we of Money Building, with the free course, with our articles, reviews and insights, will explain to you all these concepts so that these terms will be for you like a branch full of plumber. How much money I need to get started? Speaking in terms of numbers, I can tell you that you can access the mirror trading with any type of investment. This confirms the democratic attitude of this service, which can be enjoyed by any type of pocket. The minimum required investment is $250, even if I consider this amount of investment a little bit too risky. In my opinion, if you wish to proceed with cautiously calm and quiet senior providers, you need at least to start with $500. With $2,000, you begin to have greater operational flexibility, and up from $10,000, you can implement very flexible and complex strategies. If you have already gained in this way, so why you want to sell me something? Given the fact that we actually don't sell anything because it's all free, to answer this question, I have to go back and tell you a brief anecdote happened to my friend and collaborator, Carlo. He was trading since years, and when he first discovered the mirror trading years ago, his first reaction was a completely denial. He was saying, "What? I am a trader, every day I earn my bread on the market, and now I have to entrust my money to others?" and stuff like that. Then, with time, he came back and started watching it with new eyes. He began studying it and get passionate. He opened his first account, made his first mistake. He understood and learned from his mistakes. And then what he did? He saw that the thing was working, and he started to recommend it to friends and relatives. I can't tell you what a catastrophe came out after 1 month. He started receiving the first phone call from his sister who had problems, from a friend who burned the account, etc. And then he realized that while he, with his past attitude and his job as a trader, could understand, weigh and evaluate certain parameters, which were literally talking to him, for those to whom he recommended it was not the same. So then, seeing the possible need and necessity, born the idea of preparing video courses, articles, reviews that will provide as much information as possible, completely free for the final users. It seems too good to be true. What's the catch? There's no scam at all. The system is so valid and working properly that some mirror trading sites allow you to open a demo account in which you operate with no real money, so you can touch with your hand the potential of the mirror trading mechanism. That's the logic of the good and old try to believe. In mirror trading, the only possible problem is you and your lack of knowledge, your greed, which will grow once you profit, and for this reason, I suggest you again to watch the video of the follower's journey in which I talk of why many followers failed. Internet is full of stuff like that. Why someone should choose you? One single reason. Because we are money building. Jokes apart, we are true followers that have tried on their skin what we are going to tell you. We will provide our real and demo account to show you how we think and how our thoughts are reflected on our profits. And in the end, many of us are also traders, so we can explain things from two sides, senior provider's side and follower's side. And above all, being traders, we also can tell you how some things go and how they should be seen operatively.